goodness, too fussy. Have a nice frozen squirrel. Small but filling. Here, have another one. Got all kinds of gray squirrels for you. Oh my goodness, these little frozen things are tasty. Here, Ace, have another one. Getting rid of rodents around here. Caught about 12 of them already. It doesn't even look like I touched any of the squirrel population. Got squirrels everywhere, even though I caught 12 already. So I freeze them, leave them in the freezer a few days. That way I feel comfortable that it killed all the worms or parasites that they might have, or if they've got ticks or something. It's going to just help out that way by freezing them. And they're nice little frozen treats. No. Oh, sweet babies. Oh, I'm not going to take it from you. You have two in there, Rosie. Eat the ones you got.